Hi and welcome to this channel, and in today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail, it is true that this secret has been hidden even in the Bible. Well, it has not really been hidden, but its meaning has been changed so that you can give power. And when I realized this secret, I used it and I started making money. I used it to make money with a dropship lifestyle website, and it changed my life to greater heights that I could not believe it. And this is the word I am. I chanted the word I am, I am, I am when I opened whatever this dropship lifestyle website, because I said this is what I was investing in, and I said I am making six figures with dropship lifestyle. I am making six figures with dropship lifestyle. And I repeated those words to my subconscious mind until it happened in reality. Remember that everything, you are the creator of everything. And guys, this is a secret that has been hidden, because when you pray to somebody else. So hi guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how with the law of assumption, with the law of attraction, I used this specifically website, and I was able to elevate my store to making a six-figure income salary in a month. And it basically does everything for you. You're going to have amazing stores, just like all, but you're going to do little to no work, because it's going to be creating something like this. As you can see, this the presentation of the pictures is there, and everything, it's a well arranged store that you can see. It is for both male, females, and kids. And you can see whenever you're in sale socks. And as you can see, it's a pretty clean website, and the prices are well shown out. And creating such a store, you can get asked for $1,000 so that somebody can create for you. But I'm going to be showing you the dropship lifestyle that is going to help you create something of sort. But it's really cheap, and it's the one that I used, and they did everything for me, and all I did was start managing the store, and I got the store. As you can see, it's going to create something sort of, and you can see the footer is well done. As you can see, it's visible for everyone, and the colors are contrasting and everything. As you can see, it's a white themed it is a white themed store. And let's see another one. I have Good Fair. As you can see, Good Fair, it has this vintage ish, and you can see it has color pops of green, as you can see. And I think this is light blue, and you can see, I think that it is a white store with a theme of green. As you can see, it's so that you can match the pops of these things, of the clothes that they are selling. You can see these are very affordable clothes. This, you can see, $30. It's good hoodies, good shirts, and the store is beautiful. And you can see how we rescue clothes, we prepare our orders, and we ship for you. They are offering you everything, and because it has been featured in this, you can also elevate your store so it can look like this. Just see, even the footer is well done. And dropship lifestyle is going to do all that. Let's see the product description of, let's say, this one. As you can see, the product description is well done, and I'm sure they have reviews. Yes, they have reviews. So this is well done, inviting of customers to buy. And with a beautiful store, this is an invite to tell people that now they can buy. It is a trusted store that needs to you need to be a part of it. It's promoting something. As you can see, this, you're saving water, carbon, as in it's a fast fashion. It's absolutely amazing that it is a company that also caters for the environment. As you can see, what is happening to the environment, it's saving environment, and it's also doing deliveries for other people. As you can see, see The reviews are well done. And now let's go to dropship. As you can go to Google and you can type dropship lifestyle, and looks like this. And this is a website that it builds a highly profitable semi-automated dropship business. And you know how dropshipping, it's not hard, but it's a complex one, as you know that you're going to use with a lot of, you need a lot of not a lot of experience, but if you want to start making six figures, you have to do a lot. So what this website does, it does everything for you. It's going to create a business for you. They will choose a niche for you that meets your criteria, because you're going to learn what you like and what you can sell, and they will show you how to source top tiers drop shipping supplies. And this is for trusted, so you need your customers to feel a trustworthy relationship with your store, and you get instant access to Charlotte, a highly optimized Shopify website theme. Yes, and they will show you step-by-step techniques to land good suppliers. You will meet thousands of like-minded entrepreneurs inside your new community. You get priority step-by-step support. So the thing is, you're going to meet other people in here that are you're going to learn with them. You're just gonna get started and choose a niche, and need a supplier, need sales and marketing. Of course, your business needs to be marketed, and so that it can sell, obviously, because this is by doing Facebook ads and social media. This is how you really entertain people to come and buy your store. The thing is that you have to have a beautiful store. A beautiful store, that's the first thing that people see. And also the product that you're selling, it has to be a must add to cart. If you have a product that is so inviting, people are buying it, you get everything. You make six figures. You don't know how you're gonna elevate your store to a six-figure business in 1 month. And it is thanks to this. And I have so many friends of mine, and myself included, who have used this dropshiplifestyle.com to elevate our Shopify, because I had struggled with building a Shopify store. But as for now, is now that I found this and it elevated my business. All you have to do is become a member. You can get the free training. All you have to do is you can enter your email, and you get started. You can see there are a lot of people, like 15,000 entrepreneurs who are using dropship lifestyle to start, build, and grow their very own highly profitable semi-automated dropshipping business. The key is that these guys, they have been established. They have been there for the business since 2013, and you can see the members. They are a lot, and it has been voted the best e-com course by Shopify. And I think it's a beautiful thing that these guys are doing, is they know the struggle of creating a business, and what they want is to help other people be a part of making money. They're changing the lifestyle. So I highly do recommend this one. You are not going to regret, and you really are not going to regret. I'll try and insert the people, my friends that are using it, and also how I elevated my account, so that you can have proof. But all you have to do is believe in yourself, because we have people who are believing in you, people who are willing to help you as a small. They're willing to help you, and it's the best drop shipping. The best drop shipping. It does everything for you. If you can invest in this, then just best believe that your work is going to look. He did $200 to a lot of money. This is a lot of money. If you follow the steps, these are real people. You see, you don't want to work for other people, you want to work for yourself. So guys, that is it, and I hope that you're going to join this dropship lifestyle, because it is a lifesaver. It is a lifesaver. If you have been trying to elevate your dropship business, you've been creating a store, you've been sourcing your products from from AliExpress, you have not been getting sales and you're getting frustrated, and you think you've wasted a lot of money. What you need to do is turn to dropship lifestyle, and everything is going to be amazing, guys. And I'm wishing you all the best.
Hi, I see you're back. Welcome. And in today's video, I'm not going to be wasting any of your time as I'm going to be showing you a way that you can make money with little to no money and less of your time. And in this website here, it's going to be helping you so that you can have the freedom to do anything you want. You can travel the world when you're making money, you can sleep when you're making money. You just have the freedom to do it all. And guys, remember, in making money, you have to invest your time and a little bit of your money so that you can gain the freedom to do anything you want. So do not worry, just like and subscribe and share this video. You tell a friend to tell a friend that this is the plug. So don't worry, just sit tight and get ready with your pen and a book and get ready.
I'm going to be showing you, if you're new to affiliate, I have a website that is going to help you in affiliate. If you're new and you do not know anything, so you go to Google and you type wealthy affiliate, and in wealthy affiliate, you're just going to follow. We're just going to be reviewing at this, and then when you review it, you're going to see whether it's going to be something good for you or not good for you. It's up to you to decide on that. But if you're new to affiliate marketing, this is the website that is going to make you rich. So you can see, as you can see, it's a beautiful website. What they do affiliate for you is they choose a direction for your business. They discover your perfect niche with our cutting edge AI niche fine tuner, because it's a very competitive business that people have engaged in. So with this, you need somebody who is experienced, somebody who knows what they are doing, and then they're going to build a beautiful profit ready website. And I know when you have a website, the most important things is having it to be profitable, and that is always something that is most people struggle with. But this website is going to help you do that, and then they say get traffic and lots of it. So directing traffic on it, that is advertising your website, and it really does take a lot if you're doing it alone. And I have tried it, and I until I said no, I think I have to pay somebody who is more experienced than me, and they get traffic, and it's a lot. And immediately after traffic is gotten into your store, you start making money. And you can see that there are over, oh, that is a really big number, products and services that you can instantly sell and will help you trap this opportunity. So you go sign up, and if you do not know, you can try it for free. It does not force you to do anything that you don't want. And you see, it is something that has been in this industry for a long 18 years in 193 countries. And you can see the members, they are 2,600,000, and you can see 10 new business built, 10K plus new businesses built monthly. We have 1,800 expert coaches. You can see there are people who are ready to serve you, and you can see people helped daily. This is 23,000. That is a lot of people. As you can see, here is the review of people who have really gotten into it and they've started to make money. Really, all you have to do is, you don't have to do anything because they're doing everything for you. Like, everything is done for you. Like affiliate marketing, as you can know, you direct people to your website to buy something that you're promoting, and that is where you make money with it. And creating this website, you can have people asking to for you to get a lot of money, but in this website they don't ask for a lot of money. As you can see, they give you, let's see the pricing, they give you free. For the starter, you can see the beginner package, it's $0 monthly, and you just have one website and 7 days limited support, no classes, level 1 code training. This is just it's like a taster for you, just so you can know what is coming to you and what is coming to your direction. And You can see when you start, when you see that this is something good, you can now go and fully invest in it, and you can see for $50 monthly, that is what you can start with. And the thing about this is when you pay this amount of money and you begin making money, you'll be making more money than the one you're paying. So this really is an investment that you're not going to feel any pain when you are paying it, because this website helps you to make a lot of money with it, guys. And it's honestly a good website, and they are on deck with their helping. As you can see, you're also going to get a domain, a beautiful domain that nobody has it, and you're not going to get, it's fully secured. You're not going to get spams, and nobody's going to try and steal your business and whatnot. Because the thing is that people outside here, and you can see the comparison even with the GoDaddy and the Namecheap and the name.com. It is something legit, and it's actually something nice. As you can see, it's cheaper. So even where you buy your domain is, you can buy on Wealthy Affiliates, which is very cheap. And we can go to, let's say, the website, most powerful website platform. And guys, the money is there, and with little money to invest in this, that is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of misunderstanding and a lot of disappointment. You're going to be making money, and you can see the web hosting. You see, they use legit things. They're not using things that you do not understand. And it's something, as for 18 years in the business, this is a community that knows what it's doing, and you can see the success or success it's happening. And you can see they'll make you any amount of money, guys. And the thing I like about this is that most people I know have used it and they've made money. I've used it and I've made money. And it doesn't matter who you are. You could be a TikTok dancer, you can just be anybody. And what you have to do is have a source of income that is generating you money. Because I mean, everybody wants to make money. You're there on TikTok dancing because you want to make money. You're just there because you want to make money. And if you do not feel like, if you do not know, they have given you, like, if you do not understand anything, they have given you a free starter packer so that you can use it. And when, I'm guarantee you, after this starter packer, you're going to love what is going to be offered, and you're just definitely going to invest the $50 for the premium, and you can start going on. And as you can see, and guys, the thing is, most people that you have seen there out, they are using this one. I promise you, they are using this one. It's just that they don't say. Like, people, when they start making money now, they want to be paid to promote something, but there's no gatekeeping in here, because it's like just something nice that I see. And I know there's so many people who are jobless, people who do not know where to start. And I feel that I have been there. And if you find something that can help somebody, maybe one or two, then you can put it on a platform and let people see it. And this is one of them, Wealthy Affiliate, where you just promote, they help you promote products. You literally do zero work on it. They just help you promote products, and your work is just to engage. You just do bare minimum. You just post it on, you just going to post your website on your social medias, because everything is done for you. They're promoting it for you. Like, all is done for you guys. And that's it. So I hope you do try it. You can see, you just get started for free, and you can sign in with your email address, and you can try it. And I promise you, you are going to love it. So guys, I hope you try it, and when you try it, please do share in the comment whether it was worth it for you, and you can help other people. Thank you.